Today we're going to look at Etch-a-Sketch translations, and to start off we'll define what that is, and it's just points moving in a fixed direction. And this definition is actually the same as the Euclidean version for translations, and we're going to look at why translations are always isometries. And to do that, we are going to translate the points A, B, and C, D. So first we want to find the initial distance between our initial point and our final point on both of these. And to do that, we would use the equation of absolute value A minus C plus absolute value B minus D. And we know that in Etch-a-Sketch, you cannot measure straight across, you have to measure over and up. And so we are going to use this equation right here to see if our final distances will be the same. So first we want to take the distance A plus D1, B plus D2, plus C plus D1, D plus D2. And that would give us the absolute value of A plus D1 minus the absolute value of C plus D1 plus the absolute value of B plus D2 minus the absolute value of D plus D2. And that would equal the absolute value of A plus D1 minus the absolute value of C minus D1 plus the absolute value of B plus D2 minus the absolute value of D minus D2. And that would give us the absolute value of A minus C plus the absolute value of B minus D. And this final equation is equal to our initial distance, and so therefore the distances are the same and they would be an isometry.